babies? It's your girl, Rich Secrets, coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell another friend, tell a mama and them, because we're literally over here. And without further ado, let's get into the review. And I think everything in this video is from the Expressway. You know, holla at your girl if you do have any questions, comments, or concerns. Okay, so I'm not gonna open this up, y'all. I'm not gonna open this up. This is some Hello Kitty quote unquote Beat Dupes headphones. This is actually a gift for a family member. So I'm going to keep this in this package like this, because when I send this off, it's definitely going to be easier to send. So yes, this is some Hello Kitty Beats over the head headphones. Yeah, let's see. We got this box. We got this box, y'all. I'm gonna open it up. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, so I had purchased this Juicy Couture bracelet. Hopefully it fits. Oh, this is cute. Y'all, this is cute. It says Juicy Couture. I got this like this yellowish goldish type of heart because my birthday's in November and my birthstone is actually like this color. So I decided to get this. Y'all, I don't know if this is particularly stainless steel, but I got it. I'm all out of you, but I got it because I thought it was cute. I like the setting of the actual type of stone, so I figured why not. And y'all, this is cute because on Mercari they be selling like the do it fit? They be selling all types of Juicy Couture bracelets, and they just be overpriced. Oh, baby, I don't think this gonna fit me. Yeah, I think that's a little too small. We'll figure it out. We got one more package. Let me see. Hold on, y'all. Got another box. Let's open this. Hold on, what is in here? No, these boxes be secured. Oh, okay, I remember this. So I purchased this for my shoes, but I don't think this is gonna be enough. Y'all see, I'm gonna be doing a DIY project. I don't know, this might be enough. It's basically scenery materials for model layouts. It's like grass. It looks like grass, but y'all see. Y'all see. Last package. I think I said, did I say the last one was the last one? Okay, this is the last one. Let's see. So y'all, I had purchased a Juicy Couture bag, but this is small. This is not what I thought it was gonna be. Super small. It's cute though. It says Her Majesty. It's in like this peachy pink type color. The hardware is pink, brown straps. It's like a nylon material. It has a zipper, pocket in the inside. Yeah, and that's all. This is really small. But yeah, y'all, this is my miniature little unboxing. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.